All right, everyone, welcome back to Dogecast. Let's go ahead and dive into the crypto news for today. So starting things right off with good news, you can see as reported by the Bitcoinist, we have the headline here, Bitcoin trading volume surges up on El Salvador's legal tender Tuesday, today, September 14th. As of the recording of this video, maybe not when you're actually watching the video, but this is important for all cryptocurrencies. The volume by which Bitcoin is traded substantially impacts all cryptocurrencies. You can see their chart there. The volume is in fact picking up, but the definite evidence you can see here, the specific number of Bitcoin volume in the last 24 hours, 39.6 billion. This is substantially higher than what it's been in the recent past, much higher than many others. Ethereum should usually be a little bit higher than this, but Bitcoin is sort of pulling the way at this point, and this should hopefully begin to shift a lot of the cryptos into a good direction. On to the next piece of news, as reported by Cointelegraph, this is Senator Warren again. I don't know if you've had enough of Senator Warren and her cryptocurrency antics, but now she's going after Ethereum and the fact that Ethereum fees are too high. You can see the quote here. She said, "High, unpredictable fees can make crypto trading really dangerous for people who aren't rich." I'm not sure how many people are actually trading with Ethereum coins, tokens, who don't have quite a bit of money, because the gas fees tend to be pretty high with Ethereum, and the things that people are buying with Ethereum tend to be pretty costly. You know, they're not buying fruits and vegetables with Ethereum. It's not like they went to the McDonald's drive-thru and ordered a number 5 with their Ethereum tokens. You know, they're buying pretty costly NFTs and different things with their Ethereum tokens, things that are thousands and thousands of dollars. So paying that $50 gas fee, I'm pretty sure that it's not the impoverished level of society that are actually purchasing things with their Ethereum tokens. If she researched Ethereum just a little bit and she looked into the development team of Ethereum, who genuinely really want to do a good thing with Ethereum, she would know the upgrade that's coming is going to substantially lower those fees. Ethereum is a great example, unlike the Congress, of when you actually have teams that work to solve problems in real ways. Does Ethereum have problems? Yes, but they're solving it for the future. Does Congress have problems? Yes, but it never gets solved. I think Elizabeth Warren is a part of a group that has major problems, that actually has no solutions, unlike Ethereum, which has a development team that actually has future solutions coming along the way. This news article affecting Coinbase, which means it affects all cryptocurrencies, because Coinbase is in fact the most popular application for the normal regular crypto trader who likes to trade the normal regular average cryptos. And so Coinbase is now initiated at junk levels by Moody's. So it's been downgraded, and the reason that they're giving for this is that it's uncertain regulatory environment and fierce competition. Right here is a chart where you can see Moody's grading system. Moody's is there in sort of that yellow color, and you can see sort of the grade towards the right. Right now, they have Coinbase at sort of the BB level, BB plus level. It's non-investment grade, okay? So there's worse junk grades than what they just put Coinbase at, but this is pretty close to where Moody's puts Brazil also, and some other countries they list even lower than this. You know, in all honesty, maybe Coinbase deserves that. I don't really know. I haven't really looked into everything, but for some reason, there's something that makes me think that there's a little bit more behind the scenes on this. Is this really going to affect cryptocurrency much? I highly doubt it. This is another interesting story, as reported by Bazinga. New York Attorney General shuts down crypto trading exchange on accusations of unlawfully converting their user funds to Dogecoin. This is sort of a crazy thing. This is probably not an exchange that many of you are using, or maybe you are. It's actually listed right here. You can see it's CoinSeed. The user's profile, which was originally worth 48,000, turned into 31,000 in Dogecoin overnight. So essentially, this user said that they had their coins spread amongst different cryptocurrencies, and then overnight everything was switched into Dogecoin, and that this application CoinSeed was in fact doing this. So now New York's Attorney General has completely shut that one down. Let's finish things up with the current state of the crypto market and try to give you a direction going forward. Like we said, the volume of Bitcoin is up. Bitcoin has been doing well today. Ethereum has been doing well today. Most cryptos are doing well. You can see the market is up about 2.71%. I want to highlight a few things. Cardano, ADA, is down. If you're big into Cardano, and I'm actually thinking Cardano is going to get ready to spike up pretty significantly, you might be getting close to a buy if you want to get into some Cardano. I'm very highly looking into investing a little bit more there. It's a pretty good value right now. I don't think it's going to go too much lower than what it is now. I mean, maybe it hits the $2 mark, maybe it hits 190 something, but it's pulled down enough to the point where it's in investment territory at this point. In addition, Solana has been trending down as well. These things have been on fire as of late, and they're trending downwards. I would hold both of these in your portfolio, and this may be the time to put a little bit more in Solana as well. Let your Bitcoin roll, let your Ethereum roll at this point. If it's going up, there's nothing really more to do with it. You want to look for the opportunities that are out there, and that's where I'm seeing the opportunities right now. Dogecoin is kind of holding steady. It's up about 1% today. One of the things that affects Dogecoin during markets that aren't really great, maybe not terrible, that are just kind of riding along, is Dogecoin's circulating supply. So where Ethereum is not going to have to battle a major increase in circulating supply, in fact, Ethereum is going to become deflationary, Dogecoin always has to battle more circulating supply coming in, about 5 billion coins per year. So if there is not a greater investment in Dogecoin above and beyond the addition of the circulating supply, during times of sort of stagnation can actually be a time of decrease for Dogecoin. So I'm not sure if Dogecoin is going to come up with a solution for that or not. I'm not sure if they're going to have burn wallets or institute that into the purchasing power of the Dogecoin tokens themselves. I don't think they will, because they want to keep Dogecoin's price lower, but we're going to have to see. And this is when Dogecoin goes nuts, is when massive amounts of people invest in it and it skyrockets up. But in long-term horizontal markets, Dogecoin circulating supply that's continually put in actually kind of stagnates it down just a little bit more than other tokens have to deal with. And so that's one of the things affecting it right now. But in the long term, I do believe that Dogecoin is primed to be used as a normal currency, whereas others cannot be. Bitcoin certainly not. Ethereum, I don't think ever will. But there's some out there. Cardano won't. Solana won't. But Dogecoin possibly set up to be that one. So no problems in holding that. So hold the ones that are going up. Some that are coming down, maybe a time to invest in them. But overall, the market's done pretty well today. All right, everybody. Thank you for coming along with me. As always, I will catch you next time.